The Air Force of Zimbabwe Commander Air Marshal Elson Moyo has been fired by President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Welcome back to Zim News Live, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell so that you keep on receiving latest updates from our channel. This comes hours after President Mnangagwa's private jet was forced to make a U-turn back to Harare from its scheduled route to Victoria Falls after bomb scare. Air Marshal Moyo has been replaced by Air Vice Marshal John Jacob. His Excellency, President Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, has in terms of Section 341F as read with Sections 216(2) and 89 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Number 20, retired Air Marshal Elson Moyo as Commander of the Air Force of Zimbabwe with effect from 15th March 2024. Following the above retirement, His Excellency the President has in terms of Sections 216(2), 89 and 110(2)(d) of the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Number 20, appointed Air Vice Marshal John Jacob as the new Commander of the Air Force of Zimbabwe with effect from 15th March 2024. His Excellency the President has in terms of Section 10(1)(a) of the Health Service Amendment Act also appointed Dr. Christopher Pamidza Pazi as Secretary of the Health Service Commission. Dr. Christopher holds a Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, a Master's in Medicine, Diploma in Tropical Medicine and Hygiene, Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration, and is a Fellow of the College of Physicians in Central and East Africa. Dr. Christopher joined government in 1993 and rose through the ranks to become Chief Medical Officer at Sally Mugabe Central Hospital, a post he held till this appointment. Tell us what you think in the comment section down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you keep on receiving latest updates from our channel.